Is that a contour? What did it cut? Yeah. So basically that could have been the more efficient way to do that would have been with two separate contours.
There you go.
I didn't know it was going to do that. By the clarification, it didn't look like it was doing that, but... Ready?
Yeah. Set the coolant.
Yes.
One of the things I'm going to have you and RJ do is install the remote V-strap.
Yeah.
So that you can stand here and go.
That would be nice.
Alright, go.
But I like the show. 250. So, Dan, you're putting your hand on Alt S afterwards, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you. Now, one thing that would make this more efficient, and that's one of the things you always got to worry about when you're doing a lot of stuff. Efficient machining is really important.
We're milling there.
We stop on the surface,
So you should say that the surface is actually at -4.
but it does cut off a little bit of the,
Right, so that's the only reason why it...
like just right there.
Yeah.
Nice. That's it.
That initial move is always scary, isn't it?
Especially when you don't see the coolant turn on yet.
RJ Senko can do coolant after it touches.
Yeah.
So the coolant actually not like that's a second afterward. It's like it's going on.
There's been times where I've had it in the road and for some reason the machine...
Oh, I forgot. You cannot zoom while you're recording.
You just have to push the button. Did it?
No, I don't think so.
No, it's probably got like 0.01 or something.
Is that not make sense anymore?
It's gonna cut. No, I said we gotta wait now.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be a lot.
It's gonna be cutting through nothing.
Alright, so who wants to play poker? There it goes. It's cutting.
I don't think we're deep enough.
Nope. Got it.
Wonderful.
Nice.
Bingo.
Hear that tin foil? Right on.
Can't tell you.